I'm Dave. You're watching Dave Taste Buds, and welcome back. I got another great episode for you today, everybody. Bourbon chicken.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
So let's get right into it. Okay, we got our hot skillet. I got a couple of pounds of deboned and skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna hit my skillet with a little bit of neutral oil. I'm gonna take my chicken thighs. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And we're going right into our skillet. We're gonna get a really nice sear on these. Get these cooked off. There you go, hear that sizzle? Oh, I'm really wanting these to fit in the pan. Typically you wouldn't wanna crowd the pan because you don't want stuff to just, not cook evenly and all that, but these, when it comes to thighs are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They're almost like a cheat code when it comes to making any chicken recipe. They're flavorful, they stay juicy, they're almost impossible to dry out. They cook up nice every time. They're just easy to work with. Set that aside. I'm gonna give these a couple minutes to get a nice sear on the outside, then we'll take a quick look at them.
5 minutes later.
I did go ahead too, and I seasoned the other side once they were in the pan. So this is the kind of sear you're looking for. You wanna see that nice browning on the outside. We're gonna wait till they all look like that, and we're gonna flip them. Flip, Philadelphia. Still needs time. Don't be afraid. Move your chicken around. Get to know where your hot spots are. It's like your grill outside. You know that some spots of the pan are going to be much hotter than others. They're going to cook quicker. So don't be afraid to move your food around. You're not going to dry out the chicken thighs. You're not going to overcook them. You're certainly not going to undercook them. Yeah. They just need more time.
They're done.
Okay, now, we got this great sear on these chicken thighs. We're just gonna pop these off. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna pull this chicken off. I'm gonna chop these up. Get them set aside. So just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna chop this chicken up and then we're gonna make this sauce and pull this whole thing together. So sit tight, give me 2. Okay, we have our chicken chopped up, and in the same pan, we're gonna deglaze with our bourbon. Now we're gonna be careful with this.
Your first responsibility is the safety of the crowd.
Just hit it a little. Ooh, wow. Wow, does that smell good. And that's just gonna pull all that fond off the bottom. It's just gonna enhance the sauce. It's not the be all end all. Because we got soy sauce going in. We got our brown sugar going in. We got our Hoisin sauce. It's going in too. Turn up our heat a little bit because we got our garlic going in. All of the amounts will be in the description below. Also in the description below will be a link to my Amazon storefront. So everything that I cook with, that I purchased off Amazon, which is a lot, is listed there. So if you ever want to see a piece of equipment or a utensil, I even have a list of all of my lighting and camera equipment. Anything I use to actually make my videos is on there too. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, check out that list. See that? It's just breaking down all those flavors. It's pulling all that together. And it's already got a nice consistency, a nice viscosity to it. It's not super thick, it's not thin. If you needed to thicken this up, you could always use like a slurry, which is a half and half combo of cornstarch and water. You could do that, but I kind of like the way that this looks. It's really sticky though, so I really want to taste it, but I'm afraid to stick my finger right in there, so. Oof. Wow. Whoa. The flavors are just, if you love bold flavors, this is gonna be for you. Chicken. Chopped up, going right back in. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a stir around. We're gonna coat this chicken. This is gonna be so tender, so delicious, so easy. How easy was that? Your family's gonna go crazy for this stuff. Wow. There's nothing better than tender chunks of chicken sitting in a sweet, sticky, kind of, I mean, it definitely has some savory to it with the soy sauce, but the sweetness is there from the brown sugar. The Hoisin sauce pulls it all together, and the bourbon just gives it that pop at the end. That's it. I think we are done. I'm gonna plate this up, then we're gonna taste it. So just sit tight for 1 second. Bourbon chicken. Beautiful, right? Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Holy shit, is that delicious. Oh. I really don't even know how to describe it. It's the chicken thighs, obviously. It's got a little crunch on the outside, but it is so juicy on the inside. And the flavors from the sauce are just, they're game changers. It's so flavorful. It's got a huge impact. It's delicious, and you have to make it, and it takes no time at all. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. You hit like, it's gonna send, that to your algorithm, which is gonna show you more videos like this, hopefully mine. If you wanna watch more of mine, there's obviously a link below. Subscribe, follow me, check it out. I got a video up here that's fantastic, you should check it out. I got a bunch of videos down here, subscribe, do all that. And once you're done doing all that, go cook something.